Why does my baby keep getting hiccups? Hiccups are very common in babies and generally are not a cause for concern. In most cases, hiccups will stop on their own within a few minutes. It's not always obvious what causes hiccups, but they can be triggered by eating too fast and swallowing air while feeding, eating too much, or excitement. There's no surefire way to fix hiccups straight away, but it can help to try and keep your child relaxed and calm. Regular hiccups shortly after feeding could also be a sign of reflux.